Welcome to this guided meditation, this journey into healing by restoring our connection to nature. The world we live in has become a very artificial world, a world built on consumerism, on work ethic, on artificial intelligence, on synthetic chemicals. Yet we are nature. What is nature? Nature is the great outdoors, but it is also life, life itself expressing through myriad forms, plants, animals, forests, seas, tundras, clouds, water, air, rocks, insects. Think of all the animals on the planet, all of the different types of trees, all of the different species that are here to live, to express creation itself, life itself. We are part of that. We are life forms here to express life through our physical form. We are meant to live in peace and harmony with all other life forms. Yet, that's not what we're doing. We have been taught to war with other life forms. We have been taught to kill life, to kill rodents, to kill insects, to kill the enemy, to kill cells of our own body that we're told are diseases that we need to kill off, eradicate parts of our own cellular structure. This is part of the false matrix. It's part of the artificial world, the world where we have been corralled into boxes to spend all day indoors in a box. Whether that's a classroom or an office, we have been taught to disconnect from nature. We have been taught to be consumers. We have been taught to consume or be consumed. Yet, we are here to express life. We're here to give, to add to. We're not here to take from or be taken from. When we are living out of alignment with our true nature, with the kind, peaceful, loving, brilliant beings we truly are, as the ones who are deeply interconnected with all that is sacred and divine, we have become disconnected from nature, from that which is pure, that which is pristine. That one ecosystem of all life forms, where all life forms are adding to the ecosystem. Every form of life is meant to enhance the ecosystem of all that is physical. When we go out into nature, where there are no other humans, and we observe the ecosystem, we see all of the life that is there. We see how the trees provide shelter and housing for the birds, for the small animals, for monkeys and koalas, for eagles and owls. And we see how all of these animals, all of these creatures live peacefully together, keeping a balance of the ecosystem. Humans are the only ones who are out of balance. We are the only ones who have been trained against life itself. And when we are working against life, against our true nature, we suffer. And our bodies show the signs of our suffering. And when the body shows signs of suffering, the medical model teaches us that this is disease that needs to be fought, and that it needs to be fought with pills and procedures, insurance, surgeries. We've been taught to kill off parts of our own bodies in the name of health. Does that even make sense? Health, healing, is not a medical event. It is an internal event in which each and every one of us goes within and begins to restore our true nature. It is the process of seeing all that is false within ourselves. Every place that we are perpetuating patterns of anti life, anti joy, anti peace, ease, thriving. Where are we being, where are we allowing ourselves to be siphoned from, extorted from, disregarded, disrespected? Where are we allowing ourselves to override our own inner knowing, our own inner guidance? Where are we doing things that don't feel good because we're told that we have to? Who is telling you that you have to? Why did you come to Earth? Did you come here to do things you're told you have to do? Or did you come here to thrive? Did you come here as a life form to express the beauty of life? Did you come here to celebrate life itself? What if you could celebrate life itself? What if life was actually joyful? What if life was peaceful, beautiful, filled with joy and love, excitement and enthusiasm? What if life itself filled every cell of your body? What if you were so filled with life that death became obsolete? Nature is life. Where have you disconnected yourself from your true nature? Where have you stopped living in lieu of surviving? As the soul you are, the grand being of light you are a creator being. What did you come here to create, to express? What gifts do you have to bring to this planet? You do have gifts, talents, joys that you came here to express. The song of your soul is unique to you. You came here to sing it, to play it. You did not come here to work through your life. Where did you get it backwards? The external world teaches us to get it backwards. The external world, the people who make the rules are for the rulers. They're not for those who are being ruled. And we can only be ruled if we allow ourselves to be ruled. You did not come here to follow the rules. Following the rules is not expressing who you are and all of the incredible gifts and talents you possess. Where have you disconnected from your true nature? Where are you living in fear, in doubt, in guilt or shame or worry? These are simply signs that you have disconnected from the truth of the joy that you are. Where have you fallen prey to the idea that your body is broken and that it needs to be fixed with pills, or that parts need to be cut out or cut off because they're malfunctioning? These are not malfunctions. These are not diseases. These are the ways your body is showing you where you have cut yourself off from your true nature. So how do you reconnect? How do you heal? Healing is not a medical event. It is the process of reconnecting to the truth of who you are. It is the process of being able to express life through your physical structure. Your body is life. Every single cell is its own life form. And they work together to form the ecosystem of you. But when you are poisoning your own ecosystem with thoughts of, I'm not okay, there's something wrong with me, I have to do this or else I'll get in trouble. Your body, your cellular structure cries out to let you know that you are out of alignment with the truth of who you are. You're not on your chosen path. You've stepped onto someone else's path. In order to heal your body, you have to reconnect to your body. You have to be able to listen to your body, to love your body, to respect your body, to trust your body. Your body is not broken. It does not need to be medicated and cut apart. It needs you. Your body is trying to help you. But the medical model, the external world, wants to convince you otherwise. The world in which war is a commodity. It is a profitable industry. We are taught to battle our way out of discomfort. to kill that which is causing discomfort, whether it's a mouse in our house or a spider in our house, whether it's crickets in our garden, whether it's an organ that they tell us is malfunctioning in our bodies. We're taught to kill, to regain our sense of safety. Killing has never caused safety. Killing and healing are not the same thing. In fact, they are opposites. So have you allowed yourself to be convinced that some part of your body needs to be killed, that some of your cells need to be killed? Deep down inside, your body knows the truth. Your body is intelligent. Your body knows exactly how to heal itself. That technology is built right into your cells. Your body is intelligent. It is biological. Everything your body does is logical. Humans, on the other hand, have been taught to be highly illogical. When we go against our inner knowing, that is illogical, and that causes illness. Healing is simple. It is restoring our connection to our divinity, to that which is sacred inside, to that which is one with the earth, one with nature, one with peace, with love, with joy, one that is fully connected to the divine. Healing is an inside job. Only you know how to restore your connection to your divinity. You are the only one who can reconnect to nature. You are the only one who can reconnect to the nature of the life you are. All healing is self-healing. And you have everything you need to restore yourself to healthy, happy, thriving living. What are you waiting for? Health is yours to express. Life is yours to express. How are you expressing yourself?